These 3 excellent remedies will help you to cleanse colon. Digestive health is integral to feeling happy, healthy, and well. One important organ in the digestive system is the colon, also called the large intestine. Colon health is a significant part of digestive health. Some people claim the colon should be cleansed for optimal digestive wellness. However, research proving the effectiveness of cleanses is scant and low in quality. Still, certain aspects of colon cleansing may be beneficial. It may help issues such as constipation or irregular bowel movements, and there is some evidence that they can also reduce colon cancer risk. Other colon cleanse claims, such as removal of toxins and parasites, are questionable. There are a few ways to colon cleanse. You can purchase a colon cleansing product, or you can even get a colonic irrigation or enema. Otherwise, you can do simple things to boost or cleanse colon health naturally at home. The following natural colon cleanses can be done cheaply, and they're also quite safe if done correctly. Reminder: you don't need to do colon cleanses every day or even every so often to be healthy, though they may have health benefits when done sporadically. Number 1. Water flush. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is a great way to regulate digestion. People who support a water flush for colon cleansing recommend drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also, try eating plenty of foods high in water content. This includes fruits and vegetables like watermelons, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery. Number 2. Saltwater flush. You can also try a saltwater flush. This is especially recommended for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. A 2010 study showed saltwater could possibly clear the colon when paired with certain yoga poses. Before eating in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons salt with lukewarm water. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is recommended. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes, you'll probably feel an urge to go to the bathroom. Do this in the morning and in the evening, and make sure to stay home near the bathroom for a while after the cleanse. You may need to go to the bathroom multiple times. Number 3. Juices and smoothies. Juices are popular colon cleansers. These include fruit and vegetable juice fasts and cleanses, like master cleanses. There isn't enough research on these for the colon, however. In fact, some research points out risks. Even so, moderate intake of juices and juicing can be good for you. Juice blends contain some fiber and nutrients that benefit digestion. They also hold water to help hydrate and keep up regularity. What's more, a study in 2015 trusted source found that vitamin C may help cleanse the colon. Vitamin C is found in lots of fruits and vegetables added to juice blends. Popular juices in juice fasts and cleanses include apple juice, lemon juice, and vegetable juices. However, some dietitians may recommend smoothies over juices for colon and overall health. Since pulp and skins are removed when juicing, juices contain less fiber. Fiber is great for the colon, and smoothies hold a lot more fiber. You don't need to fast and drink only juices and smoothies to get any benefit. Just try including more in your diet, such as with a daily juice or smoothie. If you liked the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trusted Center.